So we really want to clean this place up. And this poor roof.
We are human. We are strong. Freshly picked mush.
Get that flame going, come on. This might actually be the best steak I've ever had.
Really?
I'm not even joking. It's like perfect. Guess where we are?
Yes.
We're at the Winter Bushcraft camp. It's not winter.
No.
It's still September.
And it reveals how much of a dump this place is.
Yeah, since the snow isn't covering everything, this place is trashed. Yeah. So we have some serious work we need to do. We want to repair the cabin because the roof is falling apart. You want to actually make it secure and possibly make this cabin safe to sleep overnight in the winter time.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll show you how trashed this campground is.
It's garbage.
Just to give you an idea of what we're dealing with. Shotgun shells, pieces of wood, pieces of garbage, all over the ground.
There's shotgun shells everywhere.
Everywhere. So the rednecks like this place too. And this is our old piece of junk sawhorse that we put together in the winter.
See this?
And if you haven't seen the Winter Bushcraft camp, check it out. Put the link at the top there for you. But we're going to prepare this place for the winter so we can make it better than it was last year. Smell.
4 rednecks.
Interesting.
2 redheads. 1 woman. They all had Budweisers.
Hey, and since it's been raining a lot, we got some mushrooms nearby. Check this out. I don't know what this is, though. Ah, it's a bolete. Now, that's nice fresh bolete. I don't know if these are edible, though. And does it stain? No, it's just the ones like in the last video. The mushroom little video we did. If you haven't seen that, check it out. So you can see the damage of this place. This is all hidden when it snows. So we really want to clean this place up. And this poor roof is completely collapsing. So that's not going to protect us at all from any snow. I don't know how we're going to do this. Not going to lie. Hey, we got an elder tree and some gooseberries right here. Not too bad.
It's good to have a goose and an elder around every once in a while, you know?
A goose and an elder. Use nails to nail these together. Because they all need to be, they've all slid, so we need to re-secure them at the top there, somehow.
Yeah. We are human. We are strong.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing with this thing. We're making it work.
Just break it.
It's old twine. This place got to be rebuilt. That's right. All right. We're getting somewhere. It's starting to rain a little bit, and I forgot my tarp. So that's always nice. So hopefully the rain calms down a little bit. But for now, we're getting ready to work. Because if we can rebuild this roof, then we won't need a tarp. I mean, tarp is still always nice to have, but we want to get as much done as we can while we're here. So, and we'll probably be back more times this year in the fall to get it done as much as we can before the winter comes. Stay. You stay. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, it's kind of looking like it's going to take a lot more time than we thought. It's going to need some serious repairs, not going to lie. It's the structure, the flooring is all whack. So figure that out, I guess. Well, we're just going to do our best. It honestly just needs, like, if we can't do an overnighter this winter, we at least need to have something snow-proof that we can put our stuff in for when we come back to the camp. But we really want to make this thing more like an actual cabin. That is the hope. Even though a lot of people come here, but like nobody's taking care of the place. It's just getting worse and worse. So that's our plan, to make it better, and hopefully people will see how nice it is and they'll actually respect it, because we actually want to make it like a little cabin.
This is the inside. It's completely trashed. Whoever was here, I have no idea what they were trying to do, but that's not how you make a fire. That's not how you make a fire.
That's not how you do the survival. That's how
No,
you make a forest
that's how you
fire.
do the die. That's if you were in survival situation.
This person
This is how you do the
this
death.
person dies.
Yeah, this is how you do death, not do survive.
How much you want to bet they lit it with kerosene too?
Well, probably.
Or maybe like they probably poured kerosene on there and just like lit it with a shot from their own shotgun, just like
The evidence. See, this is the inside of the little cabin part. You see, the flooring is really weird, and it's not really well designed. So we're gonna probably have to do a lot of modifications to this place. If we're gonna want to sleep here, there has to be changes done. And look at this. Look at this. My mushrooms, they've allowed the mycelium to take over. So we're gonna have to clean all of this off. All this junk, because it's all the wood platform and stuff is just piled up. Nobody's taking care of it, so we're gonna take care of it.
I have myself a drink. If we're gonna be working hard at this place, might as well have a sip. It is BX Press. The Crack Whip is what it's called, from the BX Press in Vernon, British Columbia. Cider with hops. I love hops with cider. Can opener, bottle opener. Oh my god, can't even talk. We're okay. Holy crap. That's strong. It's like a bit of cider and then just like a bag of hops. It's just the bitterness.
whoa. Hi. So what we've decided is that these poles that I am currently suspending myself on need to go. Okay. We're going to use these for something else, but moreover, we're actually going to continue the center ridge pole of the main part of this shelter to the tree right behind me, thusly creating a type of a full-on cabin type feel. We'll figure out the chimney system later, but for now we're going to secure a nice pole from that center to the tree right behind me. And
It's good to figure out.
that is going to allow for more of a secure spot to sit, you know?
Alright, so, I'm just gonna move some of these for now. Jeez. We gotta find the best one. That'll work! For the ridge pole! Hey, this one might be good. This one's pretty solid.
Let's see if it's long enough. Oh,
That's not rub.
yeah.
Fun of that accent. Where's the
Axe, saw. We are going to, well, I'm off to find our ridge pole. That's long enough for this thing. I'm seeing some potential ones right now, fallen ones. The fallen logs we can actually utilize now while the snow isn't here. So we might do that. Okay, this recently fallen cedar, I think is going to be the main ridge pole. It seems secure enough, so, and it's long, pretty dang long. I think it's more than enough. Just going to cut it right here. Go.
secure enough?
Alright, we got the center ridge pole. Nice and secure. It's a little bouncy at the top, but this is a, look at that, he's hanging right off of it. So like this thing's solid.
Pretty good.
Holy, it's pretty good actually. Just falls right off. Dang it. We have some extra string down there, paracord. It's all random. My random scraps. I need to buy another full, some more, need more rope. Let's just say that. I need to get some more.
Pulling rope out of the dumpster.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's what we're
So,
doing.
we could almost make this like a big teepee, laying them down, actually. Like, it doesn't have to be straight. It can be down. So then the snow,
Yeah.
because the pole is high enough, we could lay them
I
pretty
agree.
good, I think.
I agree.
Make it kind of like that, and then this whole thing could be like connect to there, and I think it would look sweet. And we won't have to deal with those any of the nasty tiles
Yeah.
by making this thing, because those tiles are freaking annoying.
Yeah.
It's a cool idea, but they're annoying. We have to cut more ridge poles. This is a nice one. This one needs a little bit taking a break. Have more of my cider. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a lot of work. We still have some food we want to cook. We got, I got this AAA Angus beef. Steak. Beef strip loin. Steak. Meat. Lots of meat. Lots of calories, energy. It's what we need. It's what we need when we're out here.
AAA Angus cut. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Canadian grade beef.
We're going to take a break from the building. We've been at it, and we still got some light, so we'll probably continue. And we're going to cook up some food later on. But right now, we're going to go look at the, just up the road, this Corpse Corner, and the puffball mushroom spot. So we're going to go up there and just see if we can get any puffballs for dinner.
And score some bones. We want to make an altar space somewhere around this region, probably down there. So, yeah, we're going to see what we can find.
We're going to go look for that too, so.
We need bones for the altar, though.
Yeah, we got plans.
And here we have the Silabonius dethicus, a rare species of mushroom that kills you upon a single thought of its presence. I'm very immune, which is why I'm able to not only think about it, but also caress it. I'm sorry for all of you, but you will die.
These are all actual facts, too.
Yes.
For real facts, too.
Yeah,
no,
for
they're
real.
not.
This
This
is
is
how
all
mushrooms
lies. But that's the underside of these things. Look at that. No idea what that is. They look amazing.
They look really cool.
But these are the old boletes all over the place. Along the road. Those ones. Still don't know if they're edible, but these guys look too old anyway. Corpse Corner. We're walking past it for now, but we'll be back for some bones.
Corner of death.
Alright, we have arrived to the Puffball Mushroom Corner. Puff Corner, I guess? I don't know. Let's see if any new ones have popped up since the last time we've been here. Cut fresh. Look at those.
A couple big boys.
Big boys. Don't know if they're fresh.
Let's see.
Really big. I'll have to look at that. See, that's about as big as the pear-shaped puffball mushrooms get.
Yeah, they don't get very massive.
No.
A dark spot might be a little concerning, but we'll find out.
Let's just have a look.
No?
That is still fresh.
They're still prime.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay,
we
harvesting
scored.
these.
A few more over there as well, so they like to hide in the grass, so I think
Yeah.
we need to be a bit more like,
These damp areas, kind of, where they get a little bit of shade and a lot of moisture gets trapped underneath the grass. That's what I like.
yeah, literally, exactly. A nice patch there.
So one thing that I'm really excited for when it comes to these little mushrooms that we're harvesting today is, as we've already said, we're gonna cook some steaks out here. That's our plan. And these mushrooms are very good, alone or with steak. They have just a perfect consistency. And I don't know, but you know, a steak and mushroom dinner out in the woods really just sound amazing. Wild, freshly picked mush. Look at that mycelium on there too. That's cool.
Nice, beautiful patch. Oh, look at those ones too. See why they call them, whoops. You can see why they call them pear-shaped puffballs. Looking like little pears. Pear-shaped puffballs. We got our mush. Now we're going to head back down to the Corpse Corner area. Then after that, we're going to hike a little bit up a hill to see if we can find wood ear jelly mushrooms. Wood ear jelly mushrooms are popular in Asian cuisine. I've had them at a buffet before, actually. Chinese buffet. Not that long ago, in the summer. Either way, we're going to find these because they're really good. They're weird. If we find them, you'll know why they're called wood ears, because they look like they're jelly mushrooms, so they look like little ears.
Yeah.
So, we have arrived at Corpse Corner. This is not where the jellyfish... What? The wood ear mushrooms. This is not where the wood ear mushrooms are. However, this is where we will find pieces of dead bodies, which we will harvest, because I'm into that. Yeah, but for real, we're here at Corpse Corner, and yeah, we're gonna take a look, see if there's anything decent.
Ooh. Yes, I'm touching it with my hands, but I'll be all right.
It's nice.
That's a bone.
Yeah, it's a bone.
There you go.
Oh, hey.
Nice.
Yeah.
Quick mushroom feature.
Yeah, I noticed these guys popping up all around this area.
Wow.
Wow,
Is this cool. People that might know, this isn't the pine mushroom, is it? Because it just bursted out of nowhere.
Yeah, I'd really like to know, because there's a lot of them around, specifically this area in this valley.
It smells pretty good.
Smells good, but I don't know, because it's like the fact that it's growing out of here.
I know.
With all the dead bodies and stuff.
Like,
I'm like, I don't know.
Do we really want a mushroom from Corpse Corner?
Yeah.
Probably not. Oh, there's another one. See how it's coming out of the ground? It was squished, but
Oh yeah.
I don't know. It might be pine mushroom.
I mean, it could be. I just don't know.
See, we're still
I
learning a
trust 'em.
lot. We're still learning a lot about mushrooms.
We really are.
There's a lot to
We'll
learn.
never learn all of it.
That's what this channel's about. Hey,
Break a leg.
break a leg. So anytime you walk down into Corpse Corner, there's like a 50 to 70% chance of finding a predator, because there's like coyotes, cougars, bears, there's also ravens, eagles, hawks, and vultures. They all really like this corner.
Oh yeah, did you mention the Sasquatch?
Yeah, Sasquatch, probably, I wouldn't take it past it. They probably come here. Thanks.
Trying.
Well, we're making our way up Corpse Corner. Then we're going to head back with the bones. And then we're going to look for some wood ear mushrooms. And then we're probably going to head back and get the fire going so we can eat some food. Just dropped our stuff back off at camp.
Got a bone
The
to
bags.
pick with you.
We're just going to have a sip of our drink, and then we'll go look for the wood ears, and then we'll be back. That's pretty much the plan. Hello. Hi. It's a little weasel. Hello.
Oh, right there.
Oh. Hello. He's curious about us. Okay, guys, I've never seen a weasel before, ever. Ever in person.
Not in the wild.
I've never seen one. I've never seen one in person. Hello. Look at him. Pretty sure that's a weasel. Hello. Hi. He's super curious. I know, right? Oh. Hey, we're safe. We mean you no harm, little guy. We're gonna scale.
And look for ears.
And look for ears. Let's do it.
Well, I have found wood ears in this forest before, but I haven't seen any yet. It's really hard to trek through this forest, as you can imagine. All the fallen trees everywhere. But yeah, we have found them here before, but be pretty lucky if we find them this time, because last time I found them was 2019. Yeah, very bright. Oh, they're very delicate too.
It's celebrating Orange Month as well.
Yeah. Halloween.
Truth and reconciliation.
And there you go. Cool. Well, we tried looking around this woods for the wood ears, and no sign of them. It's either they're not popping out yet, or we just haven't found them. But either way, probably gonna head back and start cooking up our food. Get the fire going. So we need to eat. We've been hard at work today. Getting out of the woods. Ooh. With this bloody freaking fire. Big mess. We're just going to toss all this for now. We're going to have to clean this place up a lot. We're going to come back here with like buckets, shovels, rakes, pickaxes, and we're just going to hack away at this place and make it a really good camp. Let's get dug in, actually. That's a lot of ash. Oh, my saw blade's getting a little dull. Alright, so we have birch bark and the powder at the bottom. Let's see if it'll just. Oh, yes. Oh, those crumbs. That's what we want. Oh. Ooh.
That's fire material.
Baby. So we're going to light this with the ferrocerium rod. This bad boy's a little sparker. Just like that. Okay. I'll take this off though.
I got myself one of those finally.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I have to actually, I actually have to go gather up all of my newer bushcraft equipment, put them in my bag.
Yeah, literally.
We just get everything in one spot, you know.
And then
Put that small kindling on.
let's get that flame going. Come on.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Come on. It's a little damp out here, but it seems to be going. The new light for the outdoors. We're not going to be hiding in the shadows anymore out here.
No, we got
It's
light.
nice.
A little bit at least.
A little bit. I'm going to have to get more of these lights. Waiting for these coals.
Yeah. Got some juicy meat to cook up.
Yeah, we both got our steaks.
I'm excited.
And we got our bonobo spice and salt. Because now I don't put this salt with this spice, because sometimes we want a lot of spice and it ends up being way too salty.
Yeah.
so have it separate. But yeah, at this point we're just chilling, waiting for food. So yeah, we're at this point. He's putting on the freaking rack.
Cooking rack.
A cooking rack, and I'm going
It's
to.
a really nice invention. Really nice invention if you go out in the bush regularly. Yeah, just get yourself one of those. They're super light. You can get them anywhere, really.
For to season up your I'm pretty sure you got a different spice.
I do. I have the Keg original steak spice in my backpack right now. Yeah.
There you go. Not sponsored, of course.
No.
But we are sponsored by Bonobo Spice, because I make it myself.
Bonobo provides all the flavor on our adventures.
Well, we got our steak. We got our spice. Let's toss on some salt. Not too much. Just like Salt Bay it up, you know. Nice spranklings of some salts. And we're going to do the other side as well. Flip her over. Is that another? Whoa, that was way too much in that spot. But you know what? Hey, it's okay. Just rub it on that meat. Don't touch the red flesh on the same thing that you're going to. You know what I'm saying? Don't contaminate your spices. But I'm wiping my hands. Don't worry. Ugh, okay. Actually, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I just made the spice this morning, so shake her up a little bit. Let's add some of the adobo, bonobo. Let's even add it to the sides. Let's just add it all over this. Oh, that was too much. Delectable. No such thing as too much. Boom. That's our steak. And that's going directly, not directly on the coals. It's going on to the top of the little thing we got.
I was almost right. This is the 25% less sodium version of the original.
Oh.
So less chance of getting kidney stones. And here is my slice of cow flesh.
Look at that. You got some meat. So because we're having trouble with the slow fire right now, we didn't cut. We're hungry and we're impatient. So I threw my steak into the coals. That's what's going on right now. We're having a hard time with the coals. We didn't burn enough logs, so we're just trying to burn more logs. Walking into the woods, looking for a plate. I need a plate for my steak when it's done. And I think I saw a piece of wood that would work. Oh yeah, right here. This stuff. Just freshly broken cedar here. Could work. Yeah. That works. Okay. Let's go. Oh my gosh, so much smoke. There's something in there. Big slab of meat. Cow. Angus. I'm down on the farm in Canada. Probably from. But this one likes steaks a bit more rarer than I do. Holy,
Dropped my slab of meat.
almost dropped it. Nice catch.
We'll go.
Heck yeah. Yum yum. Mine's still in the coals. I like mine more well done. You know what we almost forgot? Those bags of mushrooms. So if we have any extra coals, we'll toss them on there as well. But right now, we're just trying to eat some food. Finish up our day.
So maybe we will toss some mushrooms in as well. I think my steak is done. Yum yum.
I still had some
Oh,
inside.
oh, this smoke is really bad. Oh my gosh. I got my knife. Gonna slice me a slicey dicey with a slicey slicer with my bushcraft slicey slice. There you go. Hold it up there, I guess, like an actual smart person. Ah, yeah. That looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna poke it with this thing. It's pretty good. Okay, you know what?
This keg spice is really good.
This might actually be the best steak I've ever had.
Really?
I'm not even joking. It's like perfect. If not the best, it's really good. Whew. I don't know if you can hear that. Coyotes out there. Wow. Well, wishing all the wildlife is happening today.
Right? We're getting our wildlife shots in. That's so cool.
Holy. He's just calling away down there. So we're pretty much starting to pack up now
Yeah, just gathering
after our steaks.
all of our stuff. Hopefully not forgetting anything.
Yep. Then we'll be out of here. We're pretty much packed up and we are just going to put out the fire and we're off. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more outdoor bushcraft, foraging, garden, anything wilderness really.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more. Check out Johnny Casket's channel and see you in the
Always.
next one.
Always do that.
Always do that.
Always.
Peace. Subscribe.
Yes.
Yeah. No, not my camera.
That is what I'm talking about.